Kinongelam Jagannaka Students Union Shillong gila Pynrem jur ya ke Sarkar Manipur bad ya ke Sarkar Pedeng ya ke jingbym Simkhia jungki bentuklar barbante lakam ya ke jing ya kenat ha ke jela Manipur kebada kispak ngot ki mensimbrio ki ladu bada ki pau hajar ngot ki longyeng ki haban mi na ki yingisam namal kimdon ha ke syong suk ke syong sngai na keleng ki nongelam jong ka NSUS kila Pynrem jur ro ha bai dei berkecing penyat lengko ji ki arngot ki kynthei ha ke jela Manipur kila ong kani ke jingle kalong ke jingle ranya ke thai North East bat ya kari India hi baro kawai u president ke NSUS Chiran Shimra habakren bikinong thok khubor la kyntu ya baro ki pat nong song snong jong ke jela Manipur klem da sngoper jaitbynriew ban ya trailang ban wan ra ya song suk song sngan ha ke jela kila Pynrem ro ya menteri rangba ke jela Manipur UN Biren Singh kumju ya menteri rangba du kari India Narendra Modi kebas ngap man habai dei berkejingjia ha ke jela bat klem thau kilat kilanti ban wan ra ya ke song suk ke song sngan ha ke jela nadu pa kani ke jingjia kasdang.
On behalf of NSUS, I would like to thank each and every one of you present here. We came here to stand in solidarity with the situation that happened in Manipur. So we will have a silent prayer for 2 minutes to support, to stand, to restore peace in Manipur. So I request all the individuals, all the citizens of NSUS to stand up, to rise up, and let's pray. It is really heartbreaking and sad to know the current complicated situation in Manipur. It is very sad that 2 of our sisters are unfortunately used as toys, parading naked, as well as many others women were being exploited brutally, sexually, physically and morally. We vehemently condemn such heinous act and stand in solidarity with the victims, their families and their loved ones. We must unite against any form of discrimination, hatred and violence. We urge the law enforcement agencies to conduct a thorough and impartial investigation to ensure that all individuals in this crime are brought to justice. NSUS appeal to all the NGOs, educational institutions, CSOs, including law enforcement agencies, to unite to create free discrimination and secure society for women. Once again, brothers and sisters, let us encourage peace. Let's pray for Manipur. May God bless Manipur. May God bless you all. Kongnalim.
Last day, how do you urge people to be non-violent and to restore peace in Manipur?
So to comment on that, we are living in the 21st century, what we call the most civilization we ever had before. And all should aware that regardless of ethnic, religious, community, state, boundaries, the killings can happen, the fightings can happen, the weapons can kill, but we should never we should never take advantage of the women. We should never condemn, we should never violate the rights of the women. Each and everyone has the right to live. Sir, to speak on the crimes and situations and incidents that happened in Manipur, the state governments and the central government should take proper decision. You have to decisive. It's not about party politics. It's not about party involving solving a problem, but it's about building a country. We have seen that the Prime Minister of India never comment. After 2.5 months, he comments. When he sees the videos of the women molested sexually. But that is not the way how the government should function. But the thing is, what we want to comment is, no matter what, Hindu, Christian, Muslim, we living in the Indian. In Manipur, nearly more than three months, it has been shut down. Many students, lakhs of students are there. School is not only a way of learning, but there are many where we can visit. In a clip of 1 minute, you can visit to the whole world. So today we should not deprive of this online learning. We should not deprive of education. So we also encourage, give the opportunity to the younger generations to come. May God bless Manipur.